Hello students, this is class third C subject GSC and date is 26 to 2021. Now you have to make revision and you have to study properly each and every lesson. So syllabus is given in your booklet or in your syllabus booklet. So you see the syllabus booklet and according to the syllabus which is given in your the booklet, you have to prepare. So today we can make revision and lesson. We can see lesson 12. We are seeing force 65. So we can see some lesson is there. So we can revise it. Lesson 12 force. Just a revision. And we are going to make revision lesson 12 force. So a force is simply a push or a pull. It is simply force push or pull. We are pushing a table or we are pulling the table. Both are the force. We are the pulling table by applying the force. This is the effect of the force. But if we pull the table, this is the force, and if we push the table, this is the by the push the table, this is the force, and pull the table, this is the force. In figure, it is given diagram: a child pushing a wheelchair and a horse pulling a cart. Hard pulling a cart and child pushing a wheelchair. This is force. Force can do many things. Force can do many things. A force can make a thing move. This is the effect of the force. Force can make a thing move. Anything which is in the stationary state, it can move by applying the force. So, example, it is given activity you can do yourself. Put your school bag on a table. Put your school bag on a table and push it. What happens to the bag? The bag moves from its place. So, next, a force can make a moving thing stop. Next one. A force can make a moving thing stop. So ask your friend to throw a ball towards you. You catch the ball. Now what happens to the ball? The ball stops moving. If your friend throwing a ball to you and you catch the ball, you hold the ball, then ball stops moving. Now next, effect of the force. A force can make a moving thing change direction. A force can make a moving thing change direction. It is you when you play the football, always the direction of the football is always changed. So ask your friend to kick a ball towards you. This activity, ask your friend to kick a ball towards you. Now you kick the running ball away from you. What happened to the direction of the ball? The direction of the ball changes. The direction of ball changes. This is the variable. This we see generally in case of the football match or in case of football. Every time the direction of the football it changes. Now next, force can change the shape of a thing. Force can change the shape of a thing. So, best example of this activity: hold a rubber band in one hand. Pull the band with the other hand. Hold the rubber in one hand and pull the rubber with the other hand. The rubber band changes its shape. The rubber band changes its shape. It becomes longer and thinner. It becomes longer and thinner. Now next, friction. Next, friction. You see that when you pull the ball or when you kick the ball in the ground, it continuously moves. No, after traveling for short distance, it stops moving. It is due to another force which is in the opposition, which opposes the movement of the ball. It is called as the friction. So, friction. When two things touch each other or move against each other, a force develops that slows the movement. This force is a special force called friction or the frictional force. Try moving something on a rough surface, then push this something on a smooth polished surface. It is easier to push the thing on the smooth surface. It means there is little friction on rough surfaces. And now, less friction makes the things slide. Less friction makes the things slide. But if there is no friction, we would not be able to walk. Friction is necessary. We say friction is necessary. So if there is no friction, we would not be able to walk. We would keep slipping off. Now, so force is friction. Force of friction is useful in our daily life. How it is useful in our daily life? Friction helps us to walk. Friction helps us to grasp or hold things. Any things we can hold or grasp. This is because of the friction. If the rod is there and oil rod is there and the oil is wrapped on the rod or in our hand, oil is there. Then if you hold the rod, it will be difficult to hold the rod. because this oily surface become very smooth, so there is a very less friction. So friction helps us to grasp or hold the things, and friction helps cars to move and stop along the roads as and when desired. The tires of a vehicle are rough so that the vehicle cannot skid. Now, what have you learned? A force is simply a pull or a push, and force can do many things. Can make a thing move, can make a moving thing stop, can make a moving thing change direction, and can change the shape of a thing. And friction is a force, it is useful in our daily life. So thank you, that's for today, and you study the lessons that's given in your syllabus. Thank you, that's for today.